Hi Krista, this is Matt, and today I'm reviewing the RokeLogic wire fid. If you're into splicing, you know wire fid is used instead of pushing the core through with a regular aluminum fid, you pull it through with a wire fid. This one's, you can always make your own, but if you're not in the mood to, this one's 12 bucks. My only complaint was when it shipped, it came bent, and that means you have to take your own pliers out to it. Once I can figure out how, I've only been able to get it to work once for me. I'm still trying to figure out a good attachment method, but it's definitely in the one time that I've used it really helped. So if you're not going to make your own wire fid, I wholeheartedly recommend getting this one.